The task you're witnessing here is what was required to gain access to a large two-pump wet well in a sewage treatment plant built and completed several years before Vault Access Solutions arrived on scene. Looking to the lower left, you can see some of the volume being treated at this facility, which is very key in the Solano County area. Working with a pre-existing I-beam you are seeing right now did not go along with what we needed to include our patented TSA torsion assist feature. Good thing that the doors were small enough that a single stainless steel hydraulic shock accomplished the assistance of the doors. Following this easy installation completed in just a single hour's time, the plant processing only got easier from here. Completion of this project not only brought compliance, safer and easier access, resulting in volumes of time savings, with the concern over injury at this location now minuscule. The fixture fit as intended, accomplished what the customer wanted, and it's always great to be a part of some bigger picture.